Ever had someone ask for your Facebook profile, but you weren't quite sure how to share the right link? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find and copy your Facebook profile URL, whether you're on your phone or your computer. Super quick and super easy. Let's start with mobile. Open up your Facebook app and tap on your profile picture to go straight to your profile. Next, look for the three dots near your profile photo. Tap them, scroll down, and you'll see an option that says Your Profile Link. Just tap Copy Link, and your unique Facebook profile URL is ready to paste anywhere you need. It's that simple. If you're on desktop, head to facebook.com and click on your name in the top menu. When your profile loads, just look at the address bar at the top of your browser. The link you see there is your Facebook profile URL. Highlight it, copy it, and you're good to go. Now you can share your profile in an email, add it to your website, or drop it in a DM. And if you're all about growing your Facebook presence, remember, once you're set up with your link, you'll want plenty of eyes on your profile. That's where Media Mister comes in. They make it easy to boost your Facebook followers and engagement safely, with real people, no passwords required. Check out Media Mister the next time you want to get noticed on Facebook. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more social media growth tips. See you next time.